If you're trying to email tagged subscribers in AWeber but aren't sure how it works, or if it's even the best tool for the job, then stick around because I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, plus some crucial things to watch out for. And at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial for a better alternative that makes email segmentation way easier. So, let's get straight to it. Inside AWeber, tagging is how you group subscribers based on behavior, interests, or actions they've taken. To send an email only to those with a specific tag, you need to go to Messages and GT, Broadcasts, create a new email, and then under Send to, choose segment and select the tag you want. Sounds simple, right? But here's where things can get frustrating. First, AWeber segmentation is pretty basic. Unlike other platforms, you can't do complex automation like tagging subscribers based on multiple conditions, at least not without workarounds. If you need precise targeting, AWeber might not be the best choice. Next, sending emails to tagged subscribers doesn't always update in real time. If you just added a tag to a bunch of people, AWeber might not immediately recognize them in that segment. This delay can be a problem if you're running time-sensitive campaigns. Another issue? Limited automation. If you want to send a sequence of emails to tagged subscribers over time, AWeber makes you set up separate campaigns for each tag. That's a hassle, especially compared to platforms that let you dynamically move people between sequences based on their engagement. And here's something else. AWeber doesn't give you much flexibility with exclusions. If you want to email everyone except a specific tag, you'll have to jump through extra steps. Some competitors handle this with just one click. Now, if you're just sending simple emails, AWeber might work fine. But if you need deeper automation, real-time segmentation, or easier workflows, there are better options out there. That's why I've added an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial for a platform that does all of this way better. Plus, I included some solid alternatives that offer free trials as well. Just check the first link in the description to get the best deal available.